Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display simple routes or create simple routes in PHP Laravel level. So yeah, let's get started. So here I have just created one simple Laravel level application, and if I just try to run it using PHP artisan serve, we will get the default thing which is present with Laravel level. So let's just wait for this to start. So this is started. I can just go to this particular endpoint, and here you can see, you will see something like this. Now suppose if you want to just refactor this particular view, you can just go to resources, views, welcome.blade.php, and you can just remove this head and body, and you can write your own thing. So I'll just remove this just to show it to you. H1 hi. Okay, I'll save it, and if I just refresh this, here you can see we are able to see hi. Now we need to create one route. So to first create a route, what you will have to do is you again have to go to resources, views, and here we will create one folder. Let's see. So suppose if I want to go to Pokemon, okay, I want to create a Pokemon route. So what I can do in resources, views, I can just create a folder called Pokemon, and inside that I will just create a file called index.blade.php. okay, again I will just add the HTML5 syntax, so something like this, and here I can just write an h1 tag saying Pokemon. Okay, I don't want that for each loop. Yeah, just a simple thing. Now we also need to tell Laravel that once the user visits /Pokemon, we need to display this particular HTML file. So for that you will have to go to web.php, and here we just have to write a route. So here you can see I'm already getting the IntelliSense. So my route should be /Pokemon. So that's what I have done over here. Here we just create a function, and what was the particular file name? So it was Pokemon, and inside that we had a file called index, right? So that's why we are writing Pokemon.index. Now if you try to go over here and refresh, here you can see if you are able to see our Pokemons. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is to create a route in Laravel level with PHP. Thank you for watching. Bye.